Hello everyone. Today we will starting new chapter mechanics. Now we will discuss about compound pendulum. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Compound pendulum. So any rigid cell bodies are suspended from the rigid support free to oscillate in a vertical plane. Suspension is called as compound pendulum. So we consider a compound present up like because the shape of compound pendulum does not remain same and simple pendulum. So we are considering some irregular shape of body. Center of mass is at G point and suspended at an angle theta. So the total mass of compound pendulum is working at angle theta. So there are two component mg cos theta, and this time to similar to a simple pendulum. In this case there is a slight difference. So in the case when this body is moving in this oscillation, so like in this oscillation, like this oscillation, so in this case instead of working the force there is a torque. So in the case of compound problem, that instead of force that the restoring torque is act. So what is well of restoring torque? So the value of restoring torque is restoring torque is the so the restoring torque is now equal to minus of mg sin theta, that is your force towards this vertical motion, and this L is the perpendicular length. So the torque is, as you know, R, capital R cross F. So this minus mgl sin theta, and we know that the start is I into alpha, and this is a mgl sin theta, and then wherefore very small oscillation this straight sin theta is equal to theta. So I alpha equal to minus mgl into theta. So alpha is minus mgl upon r into theta. Angular acceleration alpha written in terms of d2 theta by dt square, and this is plus mgl upon I into theta. So directly represent d2 by dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. This is a simple equation of simple harmonic motion. So by comparing this equation simple harmonic motion, this omega square is come to be mgl upon I. So because as we know that is an equation of d2 x square d2 x x upon dt, the dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. So this is your equation of simple harmonic motion, and by comparing this we get omega squared equal to this mgi upon I. So omega equal to m. We know that omega 2 pi by t is equal to 2 py divided by mgn. General shape of body. So instead talking about this working length of your pendulum, we have taken the radius of gyration, and if k is the radius of gyration that is situated some any other point like this, like here anywhere. So by using the perpendicular axis theorem we can easily convert it perpendicular theorem, convert it using purposes theorem. So using parallel axis theorem, this is mk square plus mi square. So this is mk square plus Elizabeth, and has be in that place of I, this your phi equal to mk square plus L square upon L upon mg. So we this mass will be cancelled out. T is equal to 2000 K Kelvin square by L plus L. This is the length equivalent simple pendulum. So this is the final expression of time period of compound pendulum. Now we are talking about the personal pendulum. So in this case a restoring torque is act, but in terms of twisting couple, because in this case the this force is this rotation is taking place back in this way. So as the rotation is take place like this way, and we know that of 12 to minus c theta I d2 theta by d square is similar to the above expression. So this d2 theta by dt square plus c by I into theta equal to 0. So omega is for 2 c by I and omega c by I. So c is couple and I is moment of inertia. So you can easily calculate the moment of inertia of this rods shaped body, because case of well interesting place twisting about is one axis. So first thing here we have to determine that value of value couple and this pi 8r44 bytes to well the wires. Now this next is our how to determine the modulus of rigidity of a wire. And let us suppose that is the wire and we are twisting this wire from b to b prime and the horizontal position at an angle theta a, while from a vertical quotient thesis files, because as we twist here twist here, so b is in v prime. So from the position this is theta and this is fine. So theta fine. So and as we know that the arc is in this area vb prime equal to x into theta upon radius of the vertical plane, vertical twisting dv prime equal to phi. So by creating these two equation, by clearly obtain the value of the first is x theta by L. We know that the modulus of rigidity, stress, that is capital F, stress upon angular strain, how what is the slight angle it changes by the twisting. So as we know that force equal, this is stress equal to time to phi, and from equation 3 we put the value of eta x theta by n, and first we have to determine the force. Force equal to Fn area and beta x theta by L from this equation, and this is area A, element of this wire from the lower axis. So this is 2 pi x into dx, there your area element, and 2 pi eta theta by Lx square. Dx is the final expression by solving. This is the force is formed a couple. This force creates a couple in terms of moment of force, because we know that the couple went to same and air opposite forces acting at point from the couples together same but opposite in direction, same with same magnitude but opposite direction from the couple. So this is your c equal to 2 pi eta theta by Lx square dx into x. This is your movement of force into perpendicular distance, and solving this is 2 pi eta theta by L x is coil x cubed dx. And so for the whole atom this is equation integrated from 0 to r, because r is the radius of wire, and we solve this equation, we obtain c equal to pi over 4 theta by 2L, and the couple per unit twist is c by the theta is pi at across 4 by 2n. So here case of provisional pendulum, this copper is changes and couple is changes by twisting angle as well as this modulus of rigidity. So by creating this equation in here, we obtain the final expression for the time period of original pendulum. So this is a final this is a final expression of the compound pendulum.